Let me show you guys how to make a simple and easy version of oven-baked juicy barbecue jerk chicken using only 6 ingredients. These are the 6 ingredients right here. Go ahead and take a screenshot of this or just check the description box. Preheat the oven to 405 degrees, then clean the chicken in a bowl with water and lemon juice. When I started cleaning my chicken, I just felt better about eating it, but I guess this is optional. Then transfer the chicken into a baking dish and start trimming that excess skin. Sprinkle a thin layer of the chicken bouillon seasoning over the chicken, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Same thing with the onion powder, 1 thin layer across the chicken, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Then dab 2 tablespoons of minced garlic and 2 tablespoons of jerk seasoning over the chicken. You can find the jerk seasoning at Ralph's, Stater Brothers, or even on Amazon. Rub down the chicken and flip it over one by one so that you can do the exact same thing to the other side. I forgot to add the barbecue sauce to the other side, but it's okay. I'm just going to give this chicken a full body rub down so that it's equally seasoned. Then put this in the oven and set a timer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take it out, flip the chicken over, and juice it up. This is the trick right here that keeps it juicy and flavorful. Use an oven mitt to tilt the baking dish to the side to gather up those juices, and use a spoon to scoop it up and make it rain all over that chicken. Then pop this back in the oven for another 30 minutes. While that's cooking, we're gonna start on our sides. I'm just making some basic white rice, which is 2 cups of water, 1 cup of rice. Rinse the rice off and let it simmer for 15 minutes once it reaches that boil. Next, I'm working with some mini sweet peppers. These things are so darn delicious when you season them right and put them in the air fryer. They're literally addicting. All I'm doing is cutting the stems off, then cutting them in half. I put it in a bowl, drizzle a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of soy sauce, and chili powder to your liking. I like mine a little bit extra spicy. Yes, so just season to your liking. Then give it a good mix and pop these bad boys into the air fryer at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. Now I'm cutting up some cabbage. Just cut around the stem and dice this up about medium size. Sprinkle a tablespoon of chicken bouillon seasoning in a cup of water, then dump the cabbage in there and let it cook for about 10 minutes. At this point, the chicken was done cooking, but I'm going to juice it up one more time because I want it to be full of flavor and super juicy. And once it's all juiced up, we're going to put it in the broiler for 4 minutes so that the top can get nice and crispy to give it that grilled kind of flavor, you know what I mean? Once the cabbage is done cooking, put a stick of butter in there and season it with about a tablespoon and a half of salt and pepper. Keep on mixing this cabbage until the butter is completely melted. This is so simple but so delicious and one of my favorite ways to have cabbage. This is all done and also simple, but it came out absolutely delicious. Now it's time to eat. Oh my goodness, guys, this is the juiciest chicken that I've ever made in the oven. It's the easiest way to make jerk chicken, and hubby had to come over and join my dance party because I couldn't do this alone. It was just too good, calling everyone to the neighborhood. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.